Further brief ministerial statements. Minister for Sports.
Mr Speaker, concussion and head injury incidences are an emerging strategic issue for sporting associations and clubs. Concussion refers to a disturbance in brain function that results from trauma to the brain. The changes are usually temporary, and the majority of players recover completely if it's managed correctly. Concussion is a common problem in many sports and recreational activities, especially those involving body contact, collisions or high speed. The highest concussion rates occur in motorsports, equestrian, all football codes, netball, cricket, roller sports, boxing and martial arts. The State Government, through the Department of Sport and Recreation, is providing support to Sports Medicine Australia WA, or SMA WA, to undertake a statewide community concussion in sport project. This project assists sporting organisations to develop and implement appropriate processes in the management of concussion incidences at all levels of the sport and recreation industry. In June 2013, I approved funding of $35,000 to SMA WA for the 2013-14 financial year for this project. I'm pleased to advise the House that on Friday the 16th of May, SMA WA hosted a major symposium on concussion at the Basketball WA headquarters. Over 100 delegates attended, and to ensure the maximum reach possible, DSR subsidised club-based personnel to attend. The half-day symposium examined best practice prevention, management and treatment of concussion from elite sports through to community sports. Symposium speakers included Dr Michael McDeasy, a sport physician who works with a number of national and international teams, including Hawthorn Football Club, and is a member of the International Consensus Group on Concussion in Sport, plus Perth-based sports doctors Gary Kiwanis and Peter Nathan, and sports physiotherapist Nicole Robb. In what I viewed as a great initiative, the symposium was recorded so that it will be available for future reference and for people who are unable to attend, particularly those who are regionally based. Mr Speaker, in addition to the symposium, SMA WA has developed a set of resources, including a change room poster, a pocket concussion recognition tool, policy guidelines and additional information for players, parents, coaches and administrators. As well as the Concussion in Sports project, SMA WA have also received funding in the amount of $90,000 per annum for the period 2011 through to 2013-14 for injury prevention initiatives and support to the West Australian sports industry, as well as funding of $40,000 for the period 11-12 to 13-14 for the WA Drugs in Sport Education project. Mr Speaker, with the right education and risk management programs in place, this issue should not be a barrier to participation or an active lifestyle. The health and well-being of sporting participants of all ages and at all levels must be our #1 priority. I applaud this initiative and the partnership between the State Government and SMA WA in tackling the important and emerging issues associated with concussion in sport.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you. Are there any grievances?